Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking revelation in the electric vehicle world, Xiaomi's latest creation, the SU7 Ultra Prototype. Xiaomi is bringing serious competition to the EV market, and this prototype isn't just about style, it's packed with unprecedented power, speed, and next-gen technology. Let's take a closer look. Xiaomi founder Lei Jun unveiled the SU7 Ultra Prototype at the company's annual speech in 2024. What makes this model so special? It's not only the first to showcase Xiaomi's hyper-engine V8s but also represents a massive leap in EV performance. At the heart of the SU7 Ultra is a trio of Xiaomi-developed motors, combining to deliver an astonishing 1548 horsepower. Just for context, that's even more powerful than the Bugatti Chiron, which comes in at 1,479 horsepower. The hyper-engine V8s revs up to a staggering 27,200 RPM, creating 578 horsepower and 635 Newton-meters of torque. Xiaomi paired this beastly powertrain with CATL's Qilin 2.0 high-power battery. This isn't just any battery. It's a high-performance lithium iron phosphate (LFP) that supports ultra-fast 897V charging. Get this, the SU7 Ultra can be recharged in less than 12 minutes. This battery tech provides a maximum output of 1,330 kilowatts and keeps performing at 880 kilowatts, even when the charge is as low as 20%. Power is nothing without control. Xiaomi equipped the SU7 Ultra with AP Racing high-performance brake calipers and specialized racing brake pads that can handle extreme heat over 800 degrees. For added efficiency, the braking system even uses motor reverse for energy recovery, offering up to 0.6 G of braking force. Performance enthusiasts will be thrilled by this stat: the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 1.97 seconds, faster than most hypercars. And in only 15 seconds, it can hit its top speed of 350 km per hour. Xiaomi has managed to keep its weight under 1,900 kilograms, giving it an incredible power-to-weight ratio. The SU7 Ultra isn't just about raw power, it's engineered for optimal performance. The prototype features a carbon fiber rear wing, generating a massive 2,145 kilograms of downforce. Its aerodynamic design also includes larger front splitters, vents, and extended side skirts, ensuring maximum stability at high speeds. Xiaomi's SU7 Ultra has just set an astonishing record at the Nürburgring, conquering the legendary track in a mind-blowing 6 minutes and 46.874 seconds. This three-motor hypercar, packing an incredible 1548 horsepower, didn't just beat the record, it obliterated the competition. Step inside the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra, where luxury meets tech innovation. The cabin features eco-friendly Alcantara leather seats, a fully digital dashboard, and Xiaomi's next-gen infotainment system with voice-activated controls and a responsive touchscreen. Ambient lighting creates the perfect mood, while ample legroom ensures comfort for all. The SU7 Ultra's interior redefines the electric sedan experience, blending luxury and advanced tech in every detail. The Xiaomi SU7 Ultra's suspension is track-ready, featuring adjustable shocks with a 10-stage knob for precise tuning between compression and rebound. This setup reduces pitch and roll, ensuring stability during high-speed cornering. Built with corrosion-resistant coatings and height adjustments, the SU7 Ultra's suspension is designed to handle intense racing conditions while providing a smooth, controlled ride. Although it's unclear if this incredible prototype will ever hit the streets, Xiaomi is currently road testing other models, and the standard SU7 is already available in China. With the Ultra's 1,578 horsepower and 350 km per hour top speed, Xiaomi is positioning itself as a serious player in high-performance EVs. Xiaomi has redefined what's possible for electric vehicles. If you're thrilled by this game-changing news, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on Xiaomi's journey to reshape the future of high-performance EVs. Until next time, drive safe and stay electrified.